eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through.
Holy crap! I'd be laughing!
It's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Welcome. Hello, Elite Josh's viewers. My name is Gabe Prophets and Elite Josh right here. And I'm gonna show you, I guess, a tour around my house. So right in this room, we got the dining room where Elite Josh will be sleeping in.
Yeah, I'll be sleeping there.
And also, there's the dining room itself where we will record one video.
Okay.
This has got the living room in there where my parents are.
Okay.
You might see that video before.
Yeah.
Also, we get the staircase.
Yep, obviously.
Full staircase. I'll show you the upstairs hallway.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. Right, so take that as a surprise.
Okay.
This is the bathroom.
Okay, alright.
The upstairs bathroom.
Alright.
You've seen this before, obviously.
Yeah.
Again, it's the same hallway, so. And then we got the laundry room, which I don't know if you have any purpose, but it's here.
Okay.
Also, that's my papoose room, so you might not
Okay.
go in
Nope. I wouldn't even want to go in there anyway, probably.
Alright, and here, my friend, is where the magic
Oh
happens.
my god, this is what I think it is. It's your room.
It's my room.
Yeah!
And my mom just cleaned it, so, yeah.
Yeah, this is so weird seeing this. I always think I think it was like a little much bigger, but this is actually much smaller than I thought.
And this is the computer with the keyboard and this fucking crap.
And there's my mic.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the freaking thing off of it.
Yeah,
And we were going to stream this sooner or later. This is gonna be so exciting later. Oh my god.
Yeah.
And now, gotta show you the downstairs.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, it is a basement. It's right down here. So this is downstairs basement.
I can't even go down my base back around.
That's my old grandmother's name, so I don't know if you want to put that in there. But anyways, this is this hallway may look familiar to you.
Oh.
And this room is probably the second most important room in KV history.
Oh.
The basement.
Oh yeah.
I record most of my physical comedy videos.
Yeah.
And also there's a drum set.
Nice.
Guitars right here now. Yes, this bed is nice. So this is actually my parents' room, actually, technically.
Oh yeah.
So it's the basement times my parents' room because they went in down here,
Yeah, this comes with a little bar right here.
Yeah, my mom and dad.
That's cool. Honestly, this is cool. I like that. That's cool.
I don't know if they still have it, but there actually used to be some rainbow lights. But I don't think they have it anymore yet.
Honestly, so far what I've seen, your house is much better than mine.
Oh! Nice, but honestly, we can go through the outside, just pool area.
Okay.
You already know what my outside looks like.
Yeah.
I've seen it plenty of times in videos.
Whoa.
But here's just the actually, I'll just show you it.
Jeez. Oh, yep, there it is.
This wall is the
Beautiful.
pool I used in all my
Beautiful. And there's that.
Look at this. It's beautiful. Yeah, so it's the pool on the pool officer there.
Yep.
And oh yeah, Mr. Trim.
Oh yeah.
Where I record some finger shots.
Yeah.
There's also shed
Yep.
area right here. DIY skid and
Yep.
things like that.
Yeah.
And yeah, I guess you could say that's basically my entire house.
Okay.
Also, obviously some rooms you can't
Yeah,
go into.
But I honestly don't even care about them.
Anyways, you know what my grandmother's room looks like because episode 3 of Favors.
Yeah.
It's very old antique looking. as
Yeah.
I said. And it's very
Obviously.
messy, actually. Yeah. Okay, so, I guess that's the, thing to my house.
Okay.
The whole tour view video. Also, oh yeah, there's also another bathroom right here.
Oh, okay.
Basement bathroom.
Okay.
If you need to be quiet in your dreams.
Oh my god.
It acts like the YouTube persona sometimes. Yeah.
Alright.
And so, that's basically it.
Okay.
So,
Thank you for the tour, KV.
dang, yeah.